This is one of the most powerful computers in the world. Welcome to Mare Nostrum 5, our C in Latin, and it's located at the Barcelona Supercomputing Center here in the Catalan capital. Its total peak computational power is 314 petaflops. But what's a flop? Flop is the abbreviation for floating point operations per second, a unit measuring a computer's speed based on how many of a particular type of mathematical operation it can do in a second. It means how powerful a computer it is. Barcelona supercomputing can do 314 billion calculations per second. That's a lot of zeros. Yep. Mare Nostrum 5 is used for research and data analysis such as climate prediction, big data, bioinformatics, and biomechanics. The computer ranks 11th in the World Supercomputer Rankings and is part of a European scheme. It is also housed next to the Torre Girona Church, a building from 1857, and it occupies 800 square meters, which is equal to 3 tennis courts. The research center employs almost 1,000 people, with 1 out of 3 workers foreign-born, coming from 57 different nationalities.